set deep in the woods on a secluded lot in Mountain Brook. Number 2 Shady Lane is one of those rare properties that is convenient and close, yet private. The home is sited perfectly on the lot. You can sense the uniqueness of the country French style from the moment you arrive.
The design process took the better part of 2 years, from about 97 to 99. John Carraway did the original design, working with my wife and me. And then we took another 2 years to build it, finishing in 2001. The materials, we decided we wanted solid plaster walls, limestone floors, marble floors, and the wooden floors are antique American chestnut, a tree which is very rare, if not extinct now. And we got that from upstate Pennsylvania. It's from old buildings. So throughout the house, we paid a lot of attention to solidity in materials and detail.
The exterior has a facade of old Bessemer gray brick, a southern pine roof, and cladding of mountain stone. Arched entryways and skylights flood the home with natural light. The kitchen is equipped for the most confident chef. High-end appliances perfect for entertaining or dining with the family. A home that will carry you through retirement. The master bath is designed to accommodate older residents with a walk-in shower. Open and spacious, the den flows from the kitchen with custom pine wood panel cabinetry.
It's special because it is warm, it's friendly. Great house for entertaining. We've had a lot of large groups here, and at the same time, it's intimate and it's private.
I think you would agree that this house is spectacular. From the drive coming up, the privacy nestled in the middle of Mountain Brook, to the views, to the custom-built details. In every way, this house is something special. Love to show it to you if you'd like to see it.